So now let's do the bolt. So I'm going to do both the front and the end elevation of the bolt, and then I'll do the bush. So let's start by doing a rectangle of 60 by 30. So we pick line command, but before we do that, what do? We do let's assign the correct layer. So after that I'll do pick line command, and then draw a line of 60, length 60, then 30, then again 60, just close, type C, enter. Then next I'll now have to draw this part. So 40 by 24, 40 by 24. So I'll just do another rectangle. This is 24, then 40, 24, then just say close. So I'll do copy. So from here to here. Then what do? Just move these two from this point. So move. Let's have them join this part here. So one of the lines will have to. So I'll do that later on. So let's do this again. Move from this point to this point. Then you say offset through 1. So I'll use 1 for both sides. Then again both sides. So this, I'll delete these ones here. Then I'll try join these together. So select all the lines and then just type J, enter. So possibly some of these, yeah, we have been able to join. Yeah. So now let's draw the side view. So I'll do a circle of what radius? Of let's do 15 first. Then again enter, circle of what radius? 12 here. So that is if you view from the side. Then you now go to the bush. So for the bush we have 38, and then we also have 30. So I'll activate the bush layer. Then I say from here I need to work with 60. Yeah, so this is 60. This length is 60. Enter. Then we have 38. Enter. 60. Enter. Then 38. Enter. Escape. Then we do offset. So we need to offset by what length? Let's find out. So this is 38 minus 30, that gives you 8. Divide by 2, we'll have 4 on either side. So let's offset by 4. So from this side to this side, this to this. Escape. Then what do? We need to create another layer. Then we call it bush hidden. Okay. Then what do? We put hidden here. Then close. So then select these two here. Then work with bush hidden. Okay. Then next, what we create a other view. Of course, this will be a circle. So we take a circle. Let me just try and locate. Yeah, so we have a circle of what length? What it is 19. And again, pick the center and pick it from there, 15. Then we have it. So we have both the bush, and so this is the bush, and this is the what we call the bolt. So I'm thinking of having this to chamfer this bolt at say 1 let's try chamfer. So we need to do distance, then say 1, then second one also 1. So we put this, enter this one, tagging this, tagging this. Yeah, so we are sorted, guys. So we need to do the next part, which is the bolt, the nut, sorry.